Hello friends, welcome to a special tutorial on homonyms, homophones and homographs. ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା ଏ ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ କ'ଣ? What is a homonym? Homonym କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ? ସେଇ words କୁ homonym କୁହାଯିବ ଯାହାର spelling, same pronunciation but different meaning. For example, can. Mind it, I pronounce this word not as can but can. This is can phonetically written like this. This is pronounced as can. Can means ଆମେ ଯାହାକୁ can କହୁଛେ, generally can. I can do it. Can I take your book? That is actually pronounced as can. But this is another the same spelling can. So this can is milk can. Khira anuthbo tame can re, that is called can. This is can. I can tame jota kohucho generally tamor bhasha re bi kuhajo can ja. That's not can, that's can. Asta dhire dhire jeta phonetics janibo, phonetic transcription kon janiba. Aguru bi bahut tutorials mu deichi mo channel re. What is phonetics, what is phonetic transcription, ताकू स्टडी कले तुम जानी परिबो जे केमती को वर्ड को केमती प्रोनाउंस करा जाए. So this is can and this is can. Can means able to, meaning hela able to. Can I borrow your book? Can I take your pen? I can do this. So ei jo can tama jo kosa, that is can. I can do it. Can I borrow it? Can I borrow it? Can I take your pen? So same meaning re can, able to. But this is can, milk can. This is homonym. Same spelling, almost same pronunciation, almost. But meanings are different. Can and can. Likewise, bat, you know, cricket bat, you very well know. Cricket bat, janithibo, cricket khulthibo, cricket bat. Another bat is, what is another bat? Batbudi, bat. Same spelling, same pronunciation, but their meanings are different. Cricket, janithibo, cricket khulthibo, cricket lovers. Na khulithile be dekhuthibo, running commentary. Same spelling, same pronunciation, cricket. This is also pronounced as cricket, this is also pronounced as cricket. But a cricket ortho hala oda jintika, jinkari. Isu aku was a cricket. Kite mane gudi uduthbo, and another kite is chillo, oda pakhi. Same thing. Right. Opposite is left, right. This is right, wrong, or this is right, wrong. This is left, right. And also right, wrong bhi habo, ebong right mane bhi taro jodankar adhikar. These are my rights. A meaning bhi kuha jai paribo. Light ortho alu janicho bhalare. Kahu kichu kahibak padiboni. Another light is opposite heavy. This marker is lighter than my pen. E meaning re kuhajibo light. Tall, टोल जाइथिबो विभिन्न टोल गेट देखिथिबो विभिन्न जगह रे गाडी जाउथबो बोले टोल आदाय होची कार जाउथले टोल आदाय होथबो सो दैट इज टोल गोटे भड़ा नउछंदी विभिन्न नुआ रास्ता नुआ ब्रिज कले सरकार नउछंदी जो रेंट नउछन दैट इज टोल बट अनदर टोल इज टोल को जीव यूज धरा जाऊ माने गोटे अर्थक्वेक हेची बहुत लोक मरी जाइछंती so the earthquake has taken a very heavy toll of human life सेही क्षेत्र रे टोल यूज कराई परियो the cyclone has taken a very heavy toll of life and property ए मीनिंग रे ताकू टोल को यूज कराई परियो but spellings and pronunciations are identical but meanings are different so this is homonym bujhela the words having same spelling same almost same or same pronunciation but different in meaning they are called homonyms okay that's clear I think then we'll come to homophone what is homophone almost same pronunciation but different meaning and spelling almost same pronunciation but different in meaning and also in spelling also like dear janicho priya my dear friend my dear father my dear brother dear another deer is wildlife harina so this deer is wildlife Vanyajantu almost same spelling here two e's here one and a one e and one a but these are almost same pronunciation deer but spellings are different and meanings are also different deer means it priyo it hela harina here samti soul slightly different in spelling but pronunciation same identical soul mane kon atma this is the spiritual part of a man spiritual part soul but this soul is तलिपा जोटा जोतार सोल आम कहे गोईठी निजर भी ह्यूमन बीइंग रो गोटे मनुष्यर सोल पाद तल दैट इज सोल किंतु इट इज आल्सो अनदर मीनिंग से मीनिंग हला इज द सोल सर्वाइवर ऑफ ए फैमिली एका लोन सर्वाइवर एकुटिया से एका बंची ता फैमिली कौन कह ही इज द सोल सर्वाइवर ऑफ हिज फैमिली एका से क्षेत्र भी सोल कह यूज करा सोल होमोग्राफ अच्छा होमोग्राफ है सेम स्पेलिंग बट डिफरेंट इन प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड आल्सो हैविंग डिफरेंट मीनिंग सेम स्पेलिंग bow bow row row mind pronunciation bow bow pronounced as bow but bow same spelling pronounced as bow ethi bow hela धनु सर धनु arrow bow and arrow but ei bow hela to bow to bow down in respect to तम जन एल्डरली पर्सन्स आछन तम घर को आछंती तम ता मुंडिया मारल यू bow down in respect से क्षेत्र रे bow है bow and bow this is row जानि छोटा धाड़ी row रे ठिया हवा come in a row तार Q. But the same spelling ROW, this is pronounced as row, quarrel. He has a row with him. Row means quarrel, dispute. Same meaning use kora jibo row, row. So this is homograph. This is not difficult to study କରିବାକୁ ଟିକେ ପାଠଟି ପଢ଼ିଲେ there is no problem I think. ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଜାଣିଯିବ what is homonym, what is homophone, what is homograph ଏ ବିଷୟରେ ସବୁ ଜାଣିଯିବ. So friends, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please do comment below. Comment कले मु जानि परिबे तमर प्रॉब्लम कोन जदि तम किसी प्रॉब्लम अछि होमोनिम होमोग्राफ होमोफोन ऊपर के जानि पे जदि अधिका किसी वर्ड्स भी जानिचो होमोफोन्स होमोग्राफ्स होमोनिम्स ताहले तमे भी मते कमेंट कले तळे कमेंट बॉक्स रे देले मु तुमको नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल भी टेक अप करि परिबे या प्रोडो स्पेशल ट्यूटोरियल भी करिबी जे तमे जानि परिबो होमोनिम होमोफोन एंड होमोग्राफ ऊपर अधिका किसी जानिया पे चाहता ताले जदि भलो लागिछि if you think this has added to your value, added to the value of your English knowledge, ताले please like, share and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.